Hey guys, welcome back. Pardon me if I look distracted. I am actually driving home from work, and yes, this is week number 2 without a video. Actually, technically, this is a video, but not what I normally do. So, sorry, change lanes safely. Do not rear end the car in front of me. But yeah, guys, I do apologize. I'm not one to make excuses, but I got some very loyal viewers that check in with me every week, and I feel like I owe you an explanation. So, been a little hectic. 2 things. Whole COVID thing. You've heard me ranting before. I'll rant one last time. Here in my state of Kentucky, my governor, love him or hate him, he shut down daycares. And some of you know, you've seen him in my videos. I'm raising 2 grandchildren. One of them is my 4-year-old grandson, and without daycares, that makes our life, especially my wife's life, very hectic. So all of that's just kind of caught up to this and kind of ran out of time making last week's video. This week, I'm having some computer issues. As a matter of fact, I'm on my way right now to drop off my laptop to be worked on. So I plan on shooting a video this weekend. Probably, so you're watching this is on Saturday, probably today or tomorrow, and should have it edited by, assuming I get my computer back, should have it edited by next Saturday's normal videos. So, pardon me, get around slow drivers. So that's where I'm at, guys. I do apologize. I really have fun doing this and not being able to put out my normal Saturday video. It's been kind of a bummer for me. So guys, thank you as always. I will have another video even next Saturday, even if it's one of these. So I'm going to try to get it as much edited on the video I'm going to shoot on my phone, but I do a lot of my final editing tunes and whatever on my laptop. So we'll see what happens. Guys, thank you as always. I'll see you next Saturday. God bless you. Bye-bye.